Hey there! Are you ready to level up your English with some fun and useful idioms? Idioms are phrases where the words don't quite mean what they seem to. Today, we're going to explore some of the most common English idioms, what they mean, and how you can use them in everyday conversation. So, let's get started. Easy does it.
Easy does it, Turtle. Easy does it.
Easy does it.
Easy does it is a way of telling someone to slow down and be careful. Maybe you're carrying something fragile or doing something tricky, and you want to make sure everything goes smoothly. So, easy does it.
Easy does it.
Easy does it.
Easy does it.
Every cloud has a silver lining. Ever heard the saying, every cloud has a silver lining? It means even in bad situations, there's something good to be found. Just like when the sun peeks through the clouds on a rainy day, there's always hope.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Because every cloud has a silver lining.
But every cloud has a silver lining.
Remember, every cloud has a silver lining.
Come on now. Every cloud has a silver lining.
But do you know what? Every cloud has a silver lining.
However dark the cloud, there's always a silver lining.
Get out of hand. If something gets out of hand, it means it's getting out of control. Like if a fun party turns into chaos, you might say, "Whoa, this is getting out of hand."
Did it get out of hand?
This is getting out of hand.
Things are getting out of hand.
Guy, this is getting out of hand.
This is getting out of hand.
This is getting out of hand.
Get something out of your system. When you get something out of your system, it means you finally do something you've been wanting to do for a while, so you can move on. Maybe you've been wanting to play a video game all week, and once you do, you've gotten it out of your system.
Get it out of your system.
Get it out of your system.
Get it out of your system. Come on, get it out of your system.
Get your act together. Time to get your act together. This idiom means it's time to get organized and start doing things properly. Maybe you've been procrastinating or slacking off, and now it's time to focus and do your best.
Okay, get your act together.
Get your act together, Brown.
Get your act together, lady.
Get your act together.
You gotta get your act together.
Art, you better get your act together.
Go the extra mile. When someone goes the extra mile, they're doing more than what's expected. Maybe you helped a friend with their homework and also bake them cookies. That's going the extra mile.
I go the extra mile.
It's called going the extra mile.
But he's really going the extra mile.
I'm talking about going the extra mile.
We're going the extra mile for feeling.
Then we need to go the extra mile.
Good for you for going the extra mile.
I'm always willing to go the extra mile.
Hang in there. Hang in there is what you say when you want someone to keep going, even if things are tough. It's like cheering someone on, saying, "Don't give up, you can do it."
Hang in there. Hang in there.
Hang in there. Hang in there.
Hang in there, Andre. Hang in there.
I'm coming. Hang in there. Hang in there.
Hang in there.
Hang in there, hang in there.
Lance, you got...
Hang in there.
Hang in there.
Hang in there.
Hit the ground running. If you hit the ground running, it means you start something with lots of energy and enthusiasm. Like when you wake up full of energy and dive right into your work, ready to go.
I'm gonna hit the ground running.
Fine. Sounds like you hit the ground running.
I want to hit the ground running.
I have to hit the ground running.
I just wanted you to hit the ground running.
I want him to hit the ground running.
Keep your chin up. When you're feeling down, someone might say, "Keep your chin up." It means stay positive and don't give up, even when things get tough. You've got this.
Come on, keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up.
Just keep your chin up.
Meantime, keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. Okay.
Leave no stone unturned. To leave no stone unturned means you're being super thorough. You're looking everywhere and checking every detail to make sure you didn't miss anything. Like a detective searching for clues.
Leave no stone unturned.
Leave no stone unturned.
I'll leave no stone unturned.
I better leave no stone unturned.
We must leave no stone unturned.
We will leave no stone unturned.